Wadhi nyime nyaka Ramogi Sirkal kokalo migawo mar dongruok mag kembe kod riwruoge mamoko ochwalo ne jopur ma Siaya kodhi mag pamba motisi ni biti cotton manengone koriw to romo Sh25,000,000. Jagoro mongiro e migawo no Dr. Juma Mukhwana oyango ni gigeto chwalo pur mar pamba eka ma ok tin 130 e higani. Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo bende opwoyo okang' ma kamano ka okwayo sirkal mamalo mondo osir chenro mar gero kambi mar pamba e kaonti ma Siaya.
County government imeweka 250 million na Ministry ya Trade, Investments and Industry pia imetoa 250 million. So through the KIP we are establishing an aggregation and industrial area ya milioni 500, not just for cotton but look at other things, rice, fish and other commodities that we identified during the launchings.
Na nimekubali ya kwamba ginnery bila pamba, bila kuzalisha pamba itakuwa ni kazi ya bure, na hii ndio wakati ambapo tunaweza kuwaonyesha kwamba tunaweza kulima pamba ya kutosha, na ambapo ya kwamba tukiwa na ginnery, that ginnery is not going to be idle. In Siaya, we are taking seriously value addition and value chains in the agricultural and blue economy sector.
Let us demonstrate to our young people that there is money in cotton. Na watu watanini watarudi kwa mashamba. Siaya is good for even for coffee, Your Excellency the Governor. This county can grow almost everything.